Hi, this tutorial will show you how to identify information in a line graph for the IELTS Task 1 academic writing. There is a large amount of data in this line graph. Going through each event year by year would be boring and mechanical, resulting in a low score. So you must select the most significant points and make clear comparisons between the different fatal events. As part of your planning, before you start writing, you need to decide how you are going to structure the information in different paragraphs. One way might be to group road accidents and falls in one paragraph, because both show an increase over the period, and use a separate paragraph for murder and struck by object, because the trend is downward or static. Another approach could be to deal with struck by object and falls together, because they have broadly similar patterns, while using another paragraph to make a sharp comparison between road accidents and murder. Whatever approach is followed, you must deal with the most significant features and describe them by making clear comparisons. Use the pause button on your player if you need longer to read the following screens, and the play button to continue. This tutorial will look at identifying the main features of the line graph, especially the features that can be compared. It is vital that you state that by far the most common reason for deaths in the workplace was road accidents. This trend was upward over the 13 years. It is important to write that murder was the second most common cause of death in the workplace in 1992, but 13 years later was the least common. Its trend was strongly downward. This contrasts with all other work-related events. You need to state that deaths caused by falling were only at 600 in 1992, but climbed to just under 800 deaths in 2005. Note that you need to refer to the specific numbers on some occasions, as well as describing a trend. It would be a mistake not to deal with all 4 fatal events, so you should state that the trend for death caused by being struck by an object remained almost static over the 13-year period. Remember that dealing with all the main features is essential to getting a high score, and avoid simple descriptions of time-based line graphs. Look for patterns and comparisons. This concludes the line graph tutorial. If you want more help with your IELTS, go to www.myenglishexam.com.